Ugh. Hello guys, it is me, Mr. Shadow, back to another video. I know you have not actually seen my face yet, since I am covered by an anonymous hacker. If you do not know me, I am the organization member of the Northern Vietnamese top leader, Hayden leader. I am associated with Project Zogo and have a lot of hacking skills. But today I am not going to be doing any hacking. I'm going to be working on my math homework in front of you guys. So if any of you kids want to learn how to do some math today, here you go. Today I got my Apple iPad here, which is like $1,000, which is really expensive, which, as you know, we did not pay for this. Alright, so today I am going to be opening my computer and see if this works. Please tell me this works. Please tell me this works. Oh my god, it actually works. Holy crap. It actually works without like any Wi-Fi connections. Holy crap. I'm so pumped right now that this works. But anyways, I'm on Apple iPad right now doing some math work. So guys, you can learn a little bit about my math work. Well, let me just sign in. Just so you guys know, you guys cannot know my password because it's a secret and I don't want anybody to find out. I can only do it to other people because, you know, I'm a hacker, but you guys might get in trouble and might get arrested if you do that. So please do not do that, whatever you do. Alright, let me just sign into my computer real quick. Oh. Alright, so it's going to be really easy to do this. Alright. I already have. Alright, this should work. Please work. Please work. I'm praying. Thank you. It worked. Thank God it worked. Anyways, so now we're going to log on to Google Chrome. And then we're going to log on to, we're going to go to the little waffle dots, or we can just call it Google Apps. And then I'm going to go, not to calendar because it's a little early, very early. And I cannot show, you know, my face like this on a camera because, you know, it's against school rules and I can only do it right now because I'm working on classwork. I should be able to do this before 7 o'clock, so yeah. Anyways. Now I'm gonna go on, no wait, shit, my bad. Not calendar, what am I thinking? I had it like right there, I was like, what should I go on? I was like, oh, classroom, duh. That's what we're working on, classwork. Alright, we are now on Google Classroom. It says something about OGMN part or something. Let's read this, which is, you know, what I'm doing. It says, what is the new catchphrase? The teachers are always talking about things they say now that they have never had to say before. Like you're muted, what is the new phrase you say now because all communication is online? So yes, basically everybody is now talking about the mute thing. So if you not know, if you have online classes, you have to mute your mic and you're not allowed to talk unless you have something to say, or like in the chat room, you just like chat what you say. I know it's kind of a bitch because you don't actually get to like be there in person. It's kind of like online schooling like back then, but except for it's just strictly online schooling now because of the whole coronavirus going on. It's been going on for like 2 years, and Donald Trump has not yet made a decision, or Doug Ducey has made a decision yet to change anything or make any changes. So. We're still unaware of that. But anyways, we got 3 work of Miss Kane, 1 work of science. So let's just do science. Alright. Okay, so Friday, September 11th, live meet. Today we will be doing a lab demo in which we will be using a false object is a different size. You will need the attached sheet and a timer. sorry, can't breathe this morning at this mask. Enter your phone, a stopwatch, or a Google timer will be fine. This is a loud grade, collect 915. Alright, well, I think you have to like record something for, so we're using a force on odd in different sizes. It says why me? I don't know if you're supposed to do it like today or like tomorrow. I'm not quite sure. But let me just can't really turn in because I didn't do anything yet. But I think I'm supposed to do something on that. Anyways, let me just go back and do that later because I don't know what that is. But anyways, we got Tuesday, Wednesday, 1960s. Alright, 1 to 5 hours. Alright, note use Google if any links are not working or you are not finding the information you need. Cite all sources. Used learning Google research in 1960 to learn about more of the outsider's history background. So let's just go on to Google Docs. Alright, let's read this real quick. Alright, it says, no, if you cannot find the information you are looking for, use Google. Okay, so anyways, hold on. Okay. Fill in your name in Google Doc, first and last name. WordPress, use the following links to find a picture of Madras shirt. Paste the picture here with a caption to describe it. Really weird. I don't really know what that's supposed to be, but okay. Now use the website links below to complete following tasks. List 5 bands that were popular during the early... Oh, this is just a 1960s WordPress, so this is not... I guess this is not really that, really... I mean, yeah. Alright, hold on. Picture. So, picture caption, okay, hold on. Let me go back real quick and see what this is about. Give me 1 sec. Fill in your name, Google Doc, do the following picture of a Madras shirt, the picture here, and write a caption. Search for the following sites of a 50s to 60 male popular paste of a 56 male, somebody that was popular in the 50s and 60s. Who was popular in the 50s and 60s? That's really weird. I don't really know anybody who's like popular in the 60s. I have like no idea. The only people I know from like the 60s is like, you know, Journey bands and stuff. I don't really know too many people from the 60s. It's just me. Okay, anyways. So I'm just... Okay, so I'm just going to do something now. I'm going to go on to... I think you have to put your name and stuff. Which I'm gonna put my real name, but of course you guys are not... You're not supposed to see that, so... Part 1, so I think you're supposed to write it here or something. Let me just write my name, I guess. My real name, not, you know, my fake name, Mr. Shadow, obviously. Because I'm not allowed to write my fake name. I have to write my real name. Alright, here's my real name, which I'm not going to tell you, but that's my real name. So, alright, so now part 2, it wants me to go down real quick. So use the following links to find a picture of Madras shirt. Alright, well, so I think it's this link right here. The Madras shirt. Let's go on to here. And now, I don't, wait, that's weird. I know, it's just trying to find a picture of it, but I don't see any pictures of what you're trying to say. I only see, yeah, accept, thanks. Oh, here we go. Something, this guy, I think it is. Pretty sure it's this guy. I'm not quite sure. I think it's this guy right here. But how do you attach this to? Hold on. Let's just go here. Yeah, hold on. Shit, hold on. Alright, hold on. Here. And then go like, come on, seriously? Here. Okay, alright, hold on. Here. Well, this is ridiculous. I can't even. How am I supposed to upload this and put a link to the picture? Like, I don't understand. Okay, anyways, let me just go back, I guess, and go back and see if I can do that later. Anyways, I have to do more work, so I'm just gonna go to. I guess I'll go to Kane then. All right, we are now at Kane. All right, so so it says September 15, converting hours to minutes and minutes. Can log into Khan Academy if you have not already done so. Watch the video converting hours to minutes. Do the assignment converting hours to minutes. If you cannot get to the assignment for some reason, if it's responsible to look up how you do this either in your math book or video, answer the asked question, answer the question, they ask question by 9 p.m. for attendance. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, let me just. Don't say a video anywhere, but log into Khan Academy. I think I'm supposed to like log into Khan Academy and watch it. And then when I'm done, just mark as done. So yeah. Alright. I guess I'll do that and watch the video, and then when I go back, I'll mark it as done. Alright, let's go back to over here. Now let's go down to here. This is converting units of measure. Alright, so I now have to watch this video. It says converting unit times to this and that. So let's watch the video.
549 minutes. We can write it as a decimal or a fraction. So essentially we're going to take 549 minutes and divide them into groups of 60. Why 60? Because we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So it's essentially saying how many groups of 60 minutes can we divide 549 into? Or another way of thinking about that is, well, what is 549 divided into groups of 60? This is how many hours we're going to have. So let's do that. Let's take 549 and divide it by 60. So 6 goes into 54 9 times. So 60 is going to go into 549 times. We're going to have a little bit left over. So we have 9. 9 times 60 is 540. We subtract. We have 9 left over. I'll bring down the, we have 9 left over. And now let's see, we have a little left over, so we're going to get a decimal. So let's put a decimal place right over here. And let's throw some zeros over there. Let's bring down a 0. So we bring down a 0. 60 goes into 90 one time. 1 times 60 is 60. And we subtract, we get 30. Let's bring down another 0. And so we get to 300. 60 goes into 300 5 times. 5 times 60, 5 times 6 is 30, so 5 times 60 is 300, subtract, and we are done. So you divide 549 into groups of 60. You can divide it into 9.15 groups of 60 minutes. A group of 60 minutes is an hour. So this 549 minutes is 9.15 hours. I want to make sure that we can visualize that properly. So let's actually construct what 9.15 hours looks like. So let me draw a little line here. And on the top I'll label hours, on the bottom I'll label minutes. So this is 0 hours, 0 minutes. And now we have 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. Now we have 2 hours, which is 120 minutes.
Where?
Then you have 3 hours, which is 180 minutes. Then you have 4 hours, which is 240 minutes. 5 hours is 300 minutes. 6 hours is 360 minutes. 7 hours, I might be running out of space, is 420 minutes. Let me copy and paste this in a place where I have more real estate. So let me clear that, and then let me paste that someplace where I don't run into my other math that I did. All right. So then you have 8 hours is 480 minutes, and then you have 9 hours. Notice I'm just adding 60 minutes every time. 9 hours is 540 minutes. Or another way you could think about it is, well, if each hour is 60, 9 times 60 is 540, and we don't want to go to just 540. We have another 9 left. So then we have to go another 9 minutes to go to 549. So you have a little 9 minutes left over. So another way of thinking about this is that 549
so
is
I think I think I got it. So I want to go back, and I don't really know how to go back, but okay. Just gonna go back onto here. How do you change hours to minutes? Alright, so I'm gonna type the answer. You convert it by dividing decimals, pretty sure, to fractions, decimal, that's wrong, hold on, decimals, that should be right. Alright, decimals to fractions, and by using a number line, count every 60 seconds to get your answer. That's what I'm assuming. I don't really know, but I watched the video and I'm pretty sure I think that's what they're doing. Alright. So it says you convert it by dividing decimal to fractions and by using a number line, count every 60 seconds to get an answer. I think that's at least what I saw and watched. So yeah. Alright. So now we did that. Good. Very good. Good as Hobbin. Okay, so now we gotta do this next one. Well, this is hours to minutes. Let's just go back real quick. And now let's go to the bottom one, like the one that says 9 p.m. Alright, so hold on. It says, please do 1 to 13 on point 2 in the book. We will do a few of these in class so you can use them as an example. Due is due tomorrow and will be graded. Please do this on a separate sheet on paper or show all of your work. The deadline for turning it in test 0 is Thursday if you have not turned it in. So I'm going to go on to here real quick to go on the PDF. Actually, I do not have a math book, so I'm going to have to email her about that and let her know I don't have the 7th grade math book yet. I have not yet received that, so I'm just going to go back, because I did not complete that, so yeah. But anyways, due Sunday, due Thursday, what's today? Tuesday, so these are due like tomorrow, so I don't have to get these done for like Thursday. And today is only Tuesday, so I have like 2 more days to do this. But anyways, I'm just going to do, let's see, what else do I gotta do? These are all due Thursday and Sunday, so I really don't have to do any of these until Thursday anyways. But this is due today, but I have to find out what to go on. So it says live meet, so I guess I think it says live meet. So if I'm assuming today we'll be doing a lab demo, which we will be using a force object in different size. You will need an attachee and a timer, either your phone or a stopwatch or a Google timer. We will be fine. This will be a lab grade collected on 9/15. I think this is supposed to be today for a live meet. So I think this is like a live meet thing, not like a classroom thing, because I don't see any video where you have to watch anything. So I think it's just you go into the meet and do it today. So yeah. All right. But anyways, we got Thursday and Sunday to do that for English, but not that one obviously. So now we're gonna go to convert the decimals to fractions. And then we can type that in so then know it's done. Which one's this? PDF. Hold on, give me a second. Yeah, okay. Math book I have not got yet, so we have to do the first one. I guess convert decimals. It says log into Cloud Academy, watch the video, do the assignment, converting hours to minutes. If you cannot get into the assignment for some reason, if it's your responsibility to log up how in your math book or video and answer the question. Answer the question to ask a question by 9 p.m. Alright, so I guess I'll just watch the video. So let me go on to a separate tab, getting out of this, getting out of this, and then getting out of this, and then now I'm going to go onto a new tab, and we're going to go on to Khan Academy, which I don't really know. I'm pretty sure it's a school thing, so pretty sure I can get on to here. I said a Khan Academy login. Well, I guess I continue with Apple, I guess. Apple. Let me go into, Apple ID. I don't have an ID. Hold on, let's go back. So let's just go into Khan Academy, I guess, free online source. What just happened? Let's go back. I don't know what just happened there. That's weird. Anyways, let's go to what is going on? Okay, login. Continue with Google. All right, Mason F43. Okay, good. That's good. All right, so we're just gonna continue with that, I guess. And now we're gonna go on to now this is 7th grade, and now we're gonna continue. 7th grade, arithmetic, basic geometry. Get ready for I don't know, computer programming. Yes. Pixar and blocks. No. Yeah, that's it. Continue with 2 courses. I really don't know what I'm going on, but I guess I'll just try. I guess. Negative addition, subtraction, negative this and that. No, that's not it. Weird. Let me go on to here real quick. No, that is not it. I am so sorry, guys. Apparently that's wrong. Let me just go back onto that and let her know apparently I cannot get on, which is weird. Well, got the email about her that too, so I guess just whatever. I'm gonna go on to here now. I guess I don't got that, so I'm just gonna go on to Boy's Invention, New Zeta, summarizing paragraph. I guess Boy's Invention, New Zeta, and paragraph. Alright, so use this article to sample, summarize, and writing resources. Create your own summary of this article we read in class. Make sure you have the main idea, the who, what, and important detail. More information about the detail and good conclusion sentence. Well, we were doing that in class today, so yeah, I guess we can mark that as not done yet because we didn't do it yet. So let's just, I guess, I really do not know what to do next, but all these are due tomorrow, I guess. And this is, what's the new catchphrase, I guess? Well, mute your mic, I guess. That's what I think. Just mute your mic. That's what everyone's saying. So I'm just gonna type that as an answer, I guess. Yep, mute your mic. See? Yep. Okay. Well, alright. Well, I guess we're going back now. And that is done. That is done. That is done. We only got this left, which I don't know what to supposed to do on this one. And it's a live beat, so that's what it says. So, I don't have a math book, and I cannot get on Khan Academy. So, let me just go on to, so today we're going to be doing that boards article with it, whatever. But anyways, alright, so, ow, my head is freaking itching. Holy shit. Anyways, so today, I think I'm going to now go on to, anyways, I'm gonna go on to, what was I gonna say? I have to prepare to go on to something now, which I don't know what I'm supposed to go on to, I guess. Okay. Alright, anyways. So right now it's 7 o'clock. Sorry about that. Excuse me. Anyways, so that was for Sony Science, and that was Mr. Michalak, which is my science teacher. I've got every single work to do, but now I'm just wondering what I should do now. So I got 2 of those on math, which I cannot do because I cannot start into Khan Academy, and I cannot do my math book because I haven't received a math book yet. Not a math book, I mean a math book. I already have a math book. But anyways, that's beside that. But anyways, I'm gonna do a live meet today, and the 2 of the math problems, the English problems, I'm gonna do 2 today. Oh wait, do today. Hold on. Do today. Hold on. Do today. Alright, hold on. This is due today. Do Tuesday. This is today. What have you learned about the 1960s? Oh shit. What would you learn about the 1960s? What would you like to live back in the time period? Explain why or not. I haven't really learned about anything, but I guess I'll... No, I haven't learned anything about the 1960s. I don't know. Well, I'm just gonna go back, I guess. Alright, well, I'm gonna email... Going to email Miss Kane real quick and let her know that I cannot get on to... I want to let her know that I cannot get on to whatever I can do. I cannot get on to math. Let me just email her real quick. Let me go on to my Gmail. Gmail.com. Perfect. Now I'll go to Gmail Google and go on to Gmail Google. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna go to compose. I'm gonna compose. I'm gonna do to Mary Kane. No, wait, no, this is Mary Bagnart. I want to do Mary Kane. Yes, there we go. There we go. There we go. Alright, now I'm gonna go to subject, math, and now I'm gonna go down here. So, hold on. Hi, it's such and such, which I'm not gonna put such and such. I am gonna put my name, but I cannot tell you that, obviously. I'm having trouble with signing into Khan Academy but on top of that, I've not yet received a math book, so yeah, so I'm gonna text her about that. Let her know. Alright, well, I got a meeting at 7:30, so that's it for I'm out today, guys. That's it for our work. We already did all that. So make sure you like and subscribe, you turn on the post notifications, and make sure you subscribe to the second channel, which is Arachnophobia, which is a music channel. Make sure you subscribe to me, Mr. Shadow, because I'll be posting videos every day and be hacking the channel, so keep up with all the Project Zorgo videos and Champ Wild Clay videos. Alright, so now I will see you guys on the next one.